Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here at Kapital Kidvention 2018. I'm told there's something interesting behind this door. Let's go check it out.
So you could weave it, you could start with this piece of that.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Look at all of this. I can't believe my eyes. There are so many people in this room. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. This is amazing. There's people on chairs. There's people doing balloons. They're all over the room. I'd say there's something interesting in this room, and you're not here. I think next year you need to make an effort to come to Kapital Kidvention because you're not going to want to miss any of this. Go ahead and scan over that way. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Can you imagine? I'm stunned. I'm speechless. This is the first time for everything here, folks. But I'll tell you what, if you come next year, you're going to be able to participate in the same type of fun that they are right now. Oh boy. I'll tell you what, I'll see you next time. This is the DIY Magician.